let's talk about strategic descriptions. This piece of copy is your best opportunity to convert an interested prospect into a client or customer. And it's important that your choice of words here are speaking directly about how they will benefit. What are they going to get out of this? What challenges or goals are you helping them resolve or reach? And how are they going to uniquely benefit from your offerings? This is going to be similar to your unique value proposition, and then it needs to be clear and concise and speak specifically to your audience's needs, but the format's a little different. You'll likely have product or service titles and then fields of descriptive text beneath them already set up in your website template as a guideline, and you're going to be working within that framework, but you can always make adjustments and make it easier to navigate and scan. So just an initial word here about how important your titles and your headlines are. It turns out 80% of visitors to your website will only read your titles and your headlines. They're just going to scan the rest of the text. And if it's interesting enough to them, then perhaps they'll actually read it. So this is where bullet points for your key benefits are going to come in handy. So make sure that your copy is scannable, your titles are clear, they capture attention, and then it's all written in the tone that's going to appeal to your prospects. So for example, let's consider Nasty Gal. That's a fast fashion retailer targeting women in their early 20s. Very appropriately named their categories of clothing: going out, festival, summer, occasions, etc. They had all these products called Settle the Score crop top and Hey Sweet Thing heels. They understood their customers' needs and goals, which was primarily going out and looking hot. And they spoke their language, and that's smart marketing. So consider, how can you speak in the language of your ideal clients and customers? And how can you directly address their needs? Also, look back at your lexicon of words that you built for your brand and see where those words could fit into the language that you're using in your descriptions. Another pro tip: consider using AI to help you refine the descriptions, come up with ideas. That's always a resource for you, but make sure that it sounds like you and those ideas are yours. So a little mix of both is a good place to start.